Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark and I'm founder of Modify AI. Today we want to introduce a pretty interesting use case for generative AI and like ChatGPT and NotebookLM from Google and OpenAI respectively. Which is how do we use like ChatGPT to do research and then use this resource as a way to prompt NotebookLM, and so that we can have like interactive like notebook and audios like podcasts, so we can use this to interact with our like learning material. So let's start with the research. So what we are researching today, so for example, if I wanted to, I would like to learn more about AI note-taking application market. Okay, and so it basically kind of help us to. I will also like to focus on the pain point and use case. And also they were basically clarifying like what are specific like content that you wanted to research, and then you can specify like I want to also focus on the pain point and a use case that really help us to dig into deeper. And so I can just show this kind of sample here. So we have like so we have already have a AI note-taking solution ready, so we could copy and paste this into NotebookLM directly, and so insert it will just kind of automatically generate like the title first, and you can start generating the audio view as a podcast, so you can actually work with this. As we are watching through this process, we can generate briefing docs, so that we can have like a sample briefing or summary of the entire like ChatGPT the research result. Because like if you want to read this, it's totally fine, because and I would recommend to read this in depth, but it takes time to fully comprehend it. But if you want to just have like a survey or like basic overview, then you can use this to kind of just get started with the idea. So also you can generate mind map, so you can also like take a look at because I'm using NotebookLM Plus, so you can actually use this to generate a mind map. So for example, you can here's some of the notes that we have. So basically summarizing this what is sticking to the mind map. It's much easier to look at this as a mind map. So we can add power tools, or we have like Notion AI, our CDN AI plugin, Luxy, Reflect, and so forth. Yeah, so that's basically what you can use when it comes to ChatGPT deep research, OpenAI deep research, and also NotebookLM in general. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.